27 Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hopman.
Well, these storms continue to roll eastward across the state of Wisconsin this evening. Some areas dealing with heavy downpours, maybe even some small hail, but at this time, no real significant threat of potentially severe storms. All that being said, there's still a good amount of heat at the surface, a good amount of humidity, so these storms will continue to feed off of all of that thunderstorm energy settling in across parts of central and southern Wisconsin in the hours to come. The greatest threat right now, really this line from Sauk City down through Cassville, Cuba City, and that right now, focusing on that, heavy downpours. You can see some of that white embedded within this cell from Cassville to Cuba City out in Dane County. You can see some of that white. That is your indicator of hail. Currently, small hail at most, but really what this is doing currently is generating a good amount of lightning and, yes, also those heavy downpours. Localized flooding, certainly a possibility as the system's not necessarily moving all that fast. Timing out still perfectly, though. This cluster of showers and storms likely reaching in over the northwestern parts of Dane County within the next half an hour or so. And as that continues on, Madison seeing a more organized chance of rain over the next several hours as well. Looking downtown at Madison, 79 degrees. Obviously, we've seen more of that cloud cover settle back in. Dew point values still elevated, and the elevated dew points and those temperatures will again continue to help fuel those showers and thunderstorms. The most of us, however, have not dealt with much rainfall as of yet. Montello seeing about 18/100ths of an inch of rainfall to this point. Lone Rock about 3/100ths of an inch. But look at Prairie du Chien out towards La Crosse as well. North of 8/10ths of an inch of rainfall, nearly an inch and a half out in La Crosse so far. And that is all because these showers and storms will continue to push eastward through the region. So our latest future track model data pushing that cluster as it weakens further off to the east. This is midnight. By 1-2 o'clock in the morning, these storms continue to weaken and putter out. They will still affect the region through about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, but any real threat of severe weather concluding within the next couple of hours. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded the far western reaches of the region to a 2 on the threat index while maintaining that 1 on the threat index, that green on your screen, that marginal threat of severe weather from Wautoma back down towards Cuba City and Monroe. So we're still looking at the potential for severe weather, and that still goes through about midnight. Now, damaging winds, large hail are your greatest threats. Any real threat of tornadic activity concluding or staying out of our region. By the time you're waking up early tomorrow, the rainfall has subsided. We're dealing with temperatures in those mid-60s. Relatively quiet start to the day. Some lingering cloud cover. 67 degrees at 7. By 8 o'clock, right around 68 degrees. Here's tomorrow morning. Notice again a lot of cloud cover still lingering across the region. That is up until about 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. Beyond that, plenty of sunshine and plenty of warmth. High temperatures right back up into the mid-80s. But if you are a fan of the 80-degree temperatures, make the most of them. Their days are literally numbered. 85 on Friday afternoon. Saturday, we're all the way back up to 87 degrees. But watch this. Saturday evening, another round of potential pop-up showers and thunderstorms making their way back in over the region. By 8 o'clock, the majority of us haven't even seen any rain yet, but could see better, more wide chances of rainfall closer to 9 or 10 o'clock at night. Sunday, as of right now, looking a little bit better. Latest model runs showing more of that rainfall staying off to the south of southern Wisconsin. We're still keeping the better chances of rainfall that day, but hopefully that is a trend that continues on. We can keep that rain out of the area for our Sunday. Monday, lingering rain chances as temperatures continue to fall.
Keep us dry for Badger Challenge.
That's what I'm trying to do. It looks like the majority of that rain's hanging out right around the state line on Sunday morning afternoon.
Okay, thanks, Cam.